Ready?
Oh.
Went right through your feet and hit you in the head. Ready? Well, you're shooting too quick.
You gotta wait till the ball hits you.
You gotta wait for it to get there.
Oh.
He's still doing it too.
I think you're
He was doing it.
now.
He was
I think
doing
you're
it
doing
perfectly.
funnies now.
There you go.
That was a good kick. Ready? Hit you right and it hit you with your head. In your forehead. Ready? Ready? Whoa!
That's a
Ready?
good one.